Hey, hello guys, so welcome back to Hackers Colony Tech, and this is Azhar. So guys, today's in this video I'm going to show you how to deal with scam and fraud calls. So we all have been getting those annoying bank, lottery, scam, fraud calls. So to help you stay safe, I have developed a specialized Python-based OSINT tool for Termux. It helps you identify the real identity and details behind suspicious and fraud numbers instantly. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to set it up and use it for your own protection. This is strictly for educational purposes and cyber safety. So let's jump straight into the terminal. This script I have given in the group. So to join the group, what you need to do, go to the description and click on the link where you'll be able to get our Telegram, Instagram, Facebook, and WhatsApp group. Click on the link, join a group. From there, you can get the script for free. So once you get the script, simply click on the script. So as I click on the script, you can see two options: open with Termux, and there will be other options depending on the apps that you have on your phone. So you simply have to select Termux. Once I select Termux, you can see it says open directory. Same like that you will be getting. So you have to click on open directory. Once you click on that, you have to wait for a while. So from here, you have to type the first command, that is apt update, and an apt upgrade space -y, hit on enter. This will automatically update and upgrade all the packages in your Termux. So this might take a while. Please be patient and wait for until it's done. Then go for the next command, pkg install git -pip space -y, and hit on enter. This will install git in Python in your Termux. Alright, and then guys, most importantly, you have to give permission to the storage in Termux. So for that, you have to type Termux -setup -storage and then hit on enter. Now it will ask you why, type y and hit on enter, allow the permissions. Now once this is done, you have to go for the next command, the last command, that is Python /sco ultra osint.py. This is the file that you'll be getting from the group, and hit on enter. If you get any kinds of error like that, no module name request, then simply you have to type pip install request and then colorama, and then hit on enter and wait for a while. Now this will be done. Then simply now run Python /sco ultra osint.py and hit on enter. And once you hit an enter, you'll be able to see this tool is locked. So from here, Termux will automatically redirect you to your YouTube app, and you will be able to see here our channel. So simply scroll down, click on subscribe, then click on the bell icon, click on all, and then go back to the Termux, and you'll be able to use this app. So make sure you are clicking on subscribe bell icon, and then come back to the Termux and hit on enter, and the tool will be unlocked. Now once it's unlocked, you can see over here, enter the number. So here you have to type the number of the fraud call that, or suspicious call that you're getting. So I'm gonna here, just for now, I'm showing with my number to identify whether that's fraud or not. Okay, so once you type the number, you have to hit an enter. Once you hit an enter, it will start automatically finding the informations, and you can see over here all the informations are over here. So for security purpose, I have blurred because it's my personal information that I have I have shown over here for tutorial purpose to explain you how to identify fraud numbers or fake scam calls. So this video is still here only, guys. So you can use this simple trick to identify fraud and fake or scam callers. And this video was only for educational purposes, so kindly use it for your safety and protection of your informations and protection of your family. Okay, so this video was still here only. If you like the video, do like, subscribe, and click on bell icon for more interesting ethical hacking videos. So guys, thank you so much for watching the video, guys. See you in the next video, guys. Bye bye.